Welcome to students. Today we are going to discuss about one of the topic in the NMR spectroscopy in the organic spectroscopy techniques paper, that is the cluster C1 paper in the 6th semester. In the previous video we are clearly discussed the NMR spectroscopy basic principle, including the what is the nuclear spin, angular momentum, magnetic momentum, and the basic principle involved in NMR spectroscopy with the help of two methods, that is quantum method as well as the classical method. And instrumentation of NMR spectroscopy was also discussed in the previous class. Now today we are going to discuss about the relaxation phenomenon. This is the second topic in the C1 cluster in the first unit. Okay, what is the relaxation phenomenon? Relaxation phenomenon means the excited protons are returned to the ground state with the loss of energy without emission of the radiation is called the relaxation phenomenon. Okay, clearly relaxation phenomenon means the excited protons which are returned to ground state by loss of energy but without the emission of the radiation, that is called the relaxation phenomenon. What is the return of the protons from higher energy state to lower energy state? We are clearly discussed in the principle of NMR. What is the principle of NMR? In the principle of NMR, we are seeing that when the protons are placed in the external magnetic field, then all the protons which are available in the compound are divided into two groups, that is one is the alpha spin protons, second one is the beta spin protons. Okay, and these protons are incident with the radio wave frequency radiation. Then the protons from alpha spin state to beta spin state, the resonance takes place. That means in the presence of external magnetic field, by the incident of radio frequency, the protons from alpha spin state to beta spin state, the protons are excited. The excited protons again return to the ground state by the emission of absorbed radio frequency, that is the resonance phenomenon. Here we are discussing about relaxation phenomenon. Relaxation phenomenon means the excited protons, that is beta state protons, are returned to alpha state protons without emission of the radiation but losing of the energy. Okay, that is called the relaxation phenomenon. Okay, this relaxation phenomenon is three kinds of relaxation process are there. One is the spin relaxation, second one is the spin lattice relaxation, third one is the quadrupole relaxation. In our syllabus we have the two types of relaxation process. One is spin and the second one is spin lattice. So now go to discuss about spin relaxation. Spin relaxation means the return of or transfer of the protons from beta state to alpha state by the mutual exchange of energy to the neighboring protons. That is called the spin relaxation. Spin relaxation means the excited protons, these protons have some higher energy. These protons are want to return to ground state. By the losing of energy, this losing energy is transferred to neighboring protons. The excited protons having the higher energy, this energy is transferred to neighboring protons. Okay, the protons transfer this energy to the neighboring protons, and then it is returned to ground state without any emission of this proton is returned to the ground state. So this is called the spin relaxation. This is also called the mutual spin relaxation. Here that is given. It is due to mutual exchange of spin by the two processing nucleus which are in close to each other, will be relaxes and transfer the energy to another, which is then be excited to the higher energy. Okay, in other words, it involves the transfer of energy from one nucleus to another nucleus. There is no net loss of energy. Okay, it is clear. The second process, that is the relaxation process, that is spin lattice. Here the excited proton, that is higher energy proton, return to ground state by the losing of energy to the surroundings, not to protons or other. The excited proton is returned to the ground state by losing of its energy transferred to the interstitial space or the surrounding environmental of that nucleus. So it is called the spin lattice relaxation. It involves the transfer of energy from the nucleus in the higher state to the molecule lattice. The energy passes from excited spin to the surrounding environment so that the nucleus can return to the lower spin state, and the available for another spin excited state, the total energy of the system is same. No change in the energy and no emission of the radiation, because of the energy is transferred to the lattice environment surrounding the protons, so that there is no net change in the energy as well as the no emission of the radiation. Okay, this is the spin lattice. The third one is not covered in our syllabus, so we are not discussing about that. This is a simple topic, you learn very much. Okay, very important. Then next class we are discuss about the chemical shift. Okay.